Hi, welcome to Guitar for Kids Online. My name is Logan Hill, and I am so excited to be your guitar teacher for this course. I'm a credentialed teacher in the state of California, and while it's important for your parents to know, it's important for you to know because I am going to make learning fun. To do that, I'm going to be teaching you songs from the radio, like from Justin Bieber, the Black Eyed Peas, the White Stripes, and even from movies like Star Wars, the Lego movie. And by doing this, I believe you're going to develop a passion for music because when you play songs that you love, you want to stick with it. So stick with me, and before you know it, you're going to be jamming with your friends. Let's get started. This course is divided into 3 modules with 8 lessons total. And after you complete these lessons, you're going to unlock an expansion pack where you can learn even more awesome songs. There are 3 levels of mastery in this course. Whenever you get to a lesson, you're going to find this in your manual. And so it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first level of mastery is called play. And this is your time to practice. So you're going to play through the song as much as you can every day. I typically recommend 15 minutes a day, which we'll be getting into more. The second level of mastery is explore. And this is your time to think outside the box and really play the song in a different kind of way. Or you might even play a different section of the song. Level 3 is advance, and this is your time to really stretch those muscles and dive into the next level of playing that song. When you're done with all 3 levels, you will have achieved complete mastery of that lesson. Let's talk about practicing. When you're practicing a musical instrument, consistency is key. It's much better to practice 15 minutes a day than for several hours one day a week. Whenever you're studying for a test, right? What happens if you cram the day before the test? You probably end up forgetting the information, and by the end of the week, it's completely gone. So whenever you're learning guitar, try practicing a little bit every day. I also want you to watch only 1 lesson a week. I know some of you might want to blaze through everything really quick, but really try to practice and watch 1 video a week only, and then play 15 minutes a day. If you do this within 8 weeks, I believe you're going to be playing guitar confidently. You're going to be jamming for people around you and playing and loving it. And you're going to be able to enjoy this skill for the rest of your life. So what do you need for this course? You're going to want an acoustic or electric guitar. If you get an electric guitar, you're going to want an amp or a cable. You're going to also want a guitar strap, picks. You're going to want a tuner. You're going to also need our manual that's provided for all students. And if you're missing any of these materials, you can find links below and grab a parent, and you can shop online to find them based off of our recommended list.